Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. We need to multiply by x squared plus x plus 1 on numerator and denominator. Because I want to transform this one into this one. And we got like this. Now 1 minus 1 we cancel. So when we put number 1 gone here, we have number 2, but this one you got number 0. So in this situation, we need to consider the limit on the left and limit on the right. So on the left of this one you got negative because number 1 is smaller than number 1 in here. So we have negative, but this one we have positive. So positive divided by negative, we have negative. But if I put number 1 gone here, so we have number 0. So we know that number 2 divided by number 0, we have infinity. This one opposite, we have positive infinity. And that is the answer for the question. This is the end. Thank you for watching.